This time of year, you have to get creative. And if you've never had this recipe, you're gonna wanna try this.
It's Lent. Let's make topik. 1 pound garbanzo beans, soak it in water overnight. Once they're soaked, boil them for 20 minutes. Drain them and peel off the skins. In a hot pot, add a touch of oil and 4 sliced onions, caramelized. Food processor, 3 boiled potatoes, and your chickpeas. Pinch of salt, pulse. When your onions are cool, ½ cup chopped walnuts, ¼ cup tahini, ½ teaspoon cumin, pepper, salt, and a pinch of cinnamon. Divide up your dough into 6 pieces and spread out 1 portion onto a cheesecloth. Place a spoonful of your onion mixture and wrap it up into a nice ball. Give it a twist and tie it with butcher's twine. Just like that. Boil for 6 minutes. When it cools down, unravel it, drizzle with olive oil, hit it with a little cinnamon, some walnuts, a little squeeze of lemon. Oh, yeah, that's so good. That's awesome. I like it. It's Lent. Topik.